Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Vinted ban. To fix and solve Vinted ban, you could follow these steps. First of all, the primary solution is to appeal the ban decision by contacting Vinted support. Now, explaining why you believe the ban was mistake and providing any relevant evidence to support your claim. Now here, what you want to do is go to the browser and type in Vinted support, and then you could go ahead and click on the first link that comes, www.vinted.co.uk. After which, what you want to do is at the top you could see there is this section as help, and there you could just click on banned appeal, and when you type in that, you could actually find a list of articles similar to it, and you could press the first link, that is my account was banned, and here you have to go ahead and read about the terms and conditions as well. As you could see, will be unbanned automatically after 30 or 7 days depending on the reason for banned. You'll see the ban end date when you log into the Vinted app as well. Unfortunately, they cannot unban it earlier unless you provide evidence that the account was banned by mistake. And you could also go ahead and read out the reasons for temporary banning. Members' account include all of these. Now, if your account is permanently banned, you can still access your account to perform some actions such as contacting the customer support to inquire about the possibility of the unbanning your account and withdrawing earnings from your Vinted balance as well. Now, in order to withdraw your earnings, you could follow the steps. So similarly, you could go ahead and read about all of these, and if this article wasn't helpful, then you could actually go ahead and click on contact us, send a feedback to them, and they will be able to look into your matter. Here you have to make sure to enter in the email address associated with your account, and then upload a photo if you have the ban was unnecessary or that you feel that your account has been mistaken. So you could go and upload it, and they should be able to respond to you. You should also understand the reason for the ban. As already mentioned, if you violated the community guidelines, then it can be for a temporary period as well, or else it could be a permanent. So if it happens to be permanent, then it's better to create a new account and move on with that. So similarly, you could also avoid suspicious activity. That means if your account was banned due to suspicious activity, ensure you're not engaging in practicing like creating multiple accounts using fake information or violating their policies on prohibited items. These are some of the possibilities that could fix and solve Vinted ban. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.